Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be working on a 2008 and newer Kawasaki KLX 140 dirt bike. Specifically, the bike in the video is my neighbor's 2017 KLX 140L. They're going to be moving on to a different bike, so I'm going through it for them to get this thing in good shape and ready for the next owner. So let's take a look at what we're going to do today. We're going to be replacing the engine air filter. I'll show you what we'll need. Of course, you'll want a replacement air filter, especially if it's been a while since you've replaced yours, or if you don't have a reusable filter in the bike. We're going with the OEM Kawasaki. The part number there is 11013-0796. I've got some Maxima FFT or foam filter treatment air filter oil. Your choice of air filter oil, of course, is just fine. I've got a 1/4-inch ratchet with an 8mm socket on it. I've got some gloves, just because that air filter oil is nasty stuff sometimes, it's pretty sticky. And then of course I've got some shop towels here. So let's go to the bike and take a look at what we'll be knocking out first. So on the left-hand side of the motorcycle, you'll see this side plastic, this number plate. We're gonna undo this 8mm bolt right here. And then this plastic is held on by some tabs that hold it under the seat. You'll simply lift out and upward and it should be easily removed. Okay, once you've got that 8mm undone, you can see how I'll just kind of gently pry up. We'll set that guy out of the way. Now you can see the actual air box itself. We're gonna have 4 8mm bolts. One there in the top left corner, one down here in the bottom left. This one's kind of hidden away in the middle of the right-hand side and then the top right corner. So go ahead and remove those 4 bolts. Okay, once those 4 bolts are removed, gently pull the airbox lid or cover and we'll set that aside. You can check, it looks like this one's pretty clean, but you can go through and wipe that down as we wrap up this process later on. We'll set that aside for now. You can see this is a pretty clean airbox. My guess is if you're watching this video, yours isn't quite this clean, but little dirt there on the filter, that's to be expected, but this box is pretty solid. I know for a fact, just from them being my neighbors, that this bike had a pretty easy life so far. Been ridden around a lot in the grass and things like that, so not even a whole lot of dust or mud or dirt caked into this airbox. So next thing we'll do is we'll undo this butterfly nut here. And that'll allow us then to remove the old air filter. This is the part where it may not be a bad idea to throw some gloves on. Okay, now that the old air filter has been removed, you can see you'll just remove this entire bolt that's got that kind of wing nut head on and pull that out. Then flip your filter around, you'll see this plastic webbing or mesh inside. We're gonna remove that from the old air filter and we're gonna go ahead and clean all of these parts really well. Okay, now that I've got these parts cleaned up, I'm gonna go and actually just pour basically a cap full of that foam filter treatment into this bag. And my goal is to not soak this thing just completely saturated, but instead I want to just work that filter oil around so that there's a nice film around the entire foam filter here. And that'll help us when the bike's running to make sure that no dirt or debris gets sucked into the engine. And so that filter oil will trap all of that debris in the foam filter itself. Okay, now that you're able to go and work that filter oil around that filter and get it a nice even coat, we're gonna take our filter and we're gonna reinstall that webbing in there. And then we're going to make sure our airbox is nice and clean. It might take a little elbow grease, but clean that thing up the best you can. Of course, anything that's left behind that gets through that mesh will get sucked straight into your carburetor. So you wanna make sure you get that nice and clean. And then go ahead and reinstall your filter by spinning that wing nut clockwise once you get it threaded in those threads. Now the air filter is reinstalled, we'll go ahead and just reinstall the airbox cover or lid. We'll replace the 4 8mm bolts and then we'll take our side plate plastic and We'll reinstall that with the one 8mm bolt there, and we will be ready to rock. I hope this video might have been able to help you out. If it did, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks everybody. Ride safely.